Are you ready for some tasty barbecue and the great sound of bluegrass music? Then come to the ASC Greenway Barbecue and Bluegrass Festival. The fun all starts September 23rd from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m., featuring great music from the Deeper Shade of Blue and the Anything But Cook-Off. Then on Saturday, September 24th from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m., the music continues with Easy Pickens and Southern Junction. Then get ready for barbecue heaven as 25 teams prepare their best ribs and Boston butts for you and the judges. Along with all the great food and music, there will be lots of activities like horse rides, wagon rides, a kid's hay maze, kayaking, canoeing, and much more. For full details, log on to ascgreenway.org and click on Special Events, or call 803-548-7252. So gather up the clan and come enjoy all that's great about Fort Mill at the ASC Greenway Barbecue and Bluegrass Festival, located at ASC Greenway Nature Center at 1300 North Highway 21 Bypass.